Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu-alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our new topic is heparin. Heparin, which is used as parenteral anticoagulant. We have done about the oral anticoagulant. Now we are going to start with the parenteral anticoagulant. Reason why it is used as the parenteral anticoagulant, because it does not absorb from the gut and it must be given parenterally. Okay. And it is usually administered by the continuous intravenous infusion, and it is removed from the circulation by the reticuloendothelial system, and it's eliminated from the body by the renal and hepatic metabolism. And half-life of heparin is about 90 minutes. I write it over here. Half-life is about 90 minutes. So heparin itself is a naturally occurring mixture of sulfated mucopolysaccharide. The thing which is very important to understand is the mucopolysaccharide. Poly means many, saccharide, they are consist of many polysaccharide molecule, right? That means if we divide them into 5 and the more saccharide, right? So there is a pentasaccharide and more saccharide. This pentasaccharide is mandatory for any type of the heparin, that is a pentasaccharide. Plus this more saccharide is present in the other heparin, or they may not be present, right? So on the basis of their this structure, they are being divided into pentasaccharide present, mandatory present, and more saccharides are present or may not be present. So if they are present pentasaccharide plus more saccharide, then their molecular weight is very high, and when this only pentasaccharide is present or the less more saccharides are present, their molecular weight is less, and only pentasaccharide there is molecular weight is very low, right? So on the basis of this we divide them into different classes, but naturally they are found in the mast cells, basophil and vascular endothelium. It is we are talking about the drug, but this heparin is not only a drug, but it is actually naturally found in our body as well, released from the mast cell, basophil and the vascular endothelium. And pharmaceutical use, it is obtained from the porcine intestine and the bovine lungs. As I told you here about the type of the heparin, it is divided into basically the 4 classes. First is the unfractionated heparin, or in short it is called as the UFH. Low molecular weight heparin, in short it is called as the LMWH. And the name of the drugs which come under the heading of the low molecular weight is the dalteparin, enoxaparin and diazeparin. Heparinoid are the danaparoid and anti-factor XA or anti-factor 10A. A means activated factor 10 inhibitor are fondaparinux, right? So as I told you that the pentasaccharide is present in all of them. In all of them pentasaccharide is present. But in this unfractionated heparin, pentasaccharide plus more saccharide. In low molecular weight heparin, there is less saccharide. In anti-factors, that is a fondaparinux, there is no saccharide present, only pentasaccharide, right? And next to this we will continue. There is a anti-factor 10A inhibitor, and that is a fondaparinux, right? And next to this we will continue complete this next drug is the direct thrombin inhibitor. Direct thrombin inhibitor, which are going to inhibiting the thrombin directly, so they are known as a direct thrombin inhibitor. The name of the drug are the ergotrobon, bivaluridin, lapiridin and zimalgatran, right? Thank you very much.